Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and now we're going to talk about the project called Alligator Core, and of course we're going to do a scam check. So let me show you what it is all about. Basically, it says you can stake your USDT there, and you will get 5.5% daily. So, and we are looking for, has the contract been audited? Can we check the contract ourselves? Is there a white paper? Is there a legitimate business model behind it? And of course, has the team been KYC'd? So let me show you guys. First of all, white paper, we will have a look at this. And of course, guys, let me show you real quick what this is all about. Basically, they say they have multiple income streams, but don't really explain what to do. So first of all, the team has not been KYC'd. I can show you, okay? There's nothing like this, okay? The contract has also not been audited, and there's also no contract address. Okay, let me show you guys what it says here. This is a funny one because, guys, every day so many projects like this come out, trying to get people's money and rip you off. I like to stick to trading based on my own decisions, based on technical analysis. And if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you what this is about, guys. No limits, no fees, global access, blah, blah. Okay, about us. Alligator Core is a decentralized artificial intelligence protocol introducing users to the world of DeFi and binary options. So first of all, guys, what's interesting, I checked before, the team has not been KYC'd. And if there's an about us section, why don't you show your name? Why don't you show your face? So you stay anonymous somewhere, and because you want to rip people off and take the money, basically, it also doesn't explain anything like how they should pay 5.5% daily. You can see here, you get 5.5% daily if you stake at least $500, and if you stake at least $2,500, you get 6% daily. So, but they don't explain at all how this should be in any way sustainable. So this is just another Ponzi scheme, guys. Just another Ponzi scheme. They need new users coming in. That's why they have this here. Let me show you at this affiliate section, because they need always new people coming in. So if you say to some friend or whatever, use my link and invest here, then those affiliates will get some commission or not, I don't know, but at least they always need these affiliates to bring in new people, because once new people stop coming in and they take the money of the existing, of the new people to pay the existing users, once it stops, it collapses. And anyway, guys, so we cannot, the only thing that there's a white paper, but very basic one. Okay, this we can say, okay, white paper, but otherwise just red flags. The team has not been KYC. They don't show their faces, their name, anything. We don't see the contract address. The contract hasn't been audited. There's no legitimate business model behind this. So it's all just almost just red flags, but they have some kind of white paper that otherwise just red flags. So would I invest in this? Of course not, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but always do your own research before you invest your own money. But of course, I would not invest in anything like this. You don't know who is behind this. They can rug pull in 5 hours or in 5 days, and you have no idea who is behind this project. So that's my opinion, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.